Hey friends, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to talk about how we can add two-digit add-ins or two-digit numbers. So our learning goal for today says, I can compose a 10 to add two-digit add-ins. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson are your dry erase board, your place value chart, and place value discs. If you don't have your place value chart or your place value discs, you can draw your place value discs today. That is okay too. So make sure you have those materials before we get started. All right, friend, here's our application problem. We're going to start to get our mind warmed up. Mr. Wally's class collects 36 cans for the recycling program. Then Asniv brings in 8 more cans. How many cans does the class have now? So you guys are going to pause the video, solve this problem, model, show your work, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, make sure to pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. So I know that the class started with 36 cans, and then Asniv brings in 8 more cans. So that's telling me that I'm combining those two numbers together to find out how many does he have now. So 36 plus 8. When I look at 36, it's really close to that next 10 of 40. So I know that if I have 36, I need 37, 38, 39, 40. I need 4 more to make 40. So I'm going to break apart this 8 into a 4 and a 4 because that 1 4 is going to help me get that 36 to 40, and then I have 4 left over out of my 8. So 36 plus 4 equals 40, and we have our 4 that we have to add to it still. So 40 plus 4 equals 44. So to write that in a statement, we would say the class has 44 cans now. All right, so hopefully that got your mind ready for our work today. So friends, check out how I model 35 plus 5 on my place value chart. So here I'm going to model 35, which is 3 10s, 5 1s. Now I'm going to add 5 to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you notice in the ones place? Take a close look at just the ones place. What do you notice? Yeah, some of you might say there's 10, right? Or there are 2 groups of 5. And because remember we line them up nice and neat in groups of 5 in like a tens frame, a sideways tens frame, it's perfect. So here we can bundle these ones to compose a new 10. So let's bundle the 10 ones to compose a new 10, because 10 is that magic number. 10 ones make a new 10. So we're going to make those disappear, and we're going to bring in a new 10, because we composed a new 10. All right, friends, I want you guys to show 35 on your chart. So pause the video, show 35 on your place value chart, either using place value discs or drawings, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, here's 35, 3 10s and 5 1s. So now I want you to add 6 1s to your place value chart. So pause the video, add 6 1s, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, here we go. 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your drawing or place value disc should look like mine. So how many ones do you have now? Yeah, we have 11 ones, right? We could know that very easily by saying, oh, there's 2 groups of 5 because I only make them in groups of 5. So there's 10 plus 1 more is 11. Say 11 the say 10 way. 1 10 1 1 or 1 10 1. Oh, friends, look at this here. We could take those 10 ones and compose a new 10. We just composed a unit of 10. It makes it so much easier to be able to see the total of those. So friends, how many 10s do we have now? Yeah, we have 4 10s. What is 35 plus 6 the say 10 way? 4 10s 1. Awesome. Good job, friends. All right, let's take a look at another one. So here we have 35 plus 26. So first, let's model 35 on the place value chart. Okay, so pause the video, model 35, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, so here's my 35. Now we can model 26. So I want you guys to pause the video, and you're going to model the other add end of 26. And then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, here's my 20 and my 6, so 26. So now modeled all together there, I have 35 plus 26. So friends, how is this different than the last problem that we did? The last problem was 35 plus 6. So how is this different? Yeah, we're adding 2 more 10s, right? Okay. So look, friends, we have 10 ones. We can compose a new 10. So I want you guys to do that on your place value chart. So pause the video, compose a new 10 with those 10 ones to see what it's going to look like. And then I'll model for you on my chart too. So pause and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, here's my 10 ones. I'm going to take those away and compose a new 10. So how many ones are in the ones place now? Oh, just one, right? How many 10s are in the tens place? 6 10s. Awesome. So say 35 plus 26 the say 10 way. 6 10s, 1. So that means that 35 plus 26 equals 61. Awesome job with that, friends. All right, so what patterns did you notice as we were adding? Pause the video and think for just a minute. What are some things that we do to each time we were doing those problems? What did you notice that we were doing? All right, friends, well, here's some things that I noticed. I added the ones together, and then I added the tens. If we see 10 ones, we know that we have to make a new 10. And we changed 10 ones for a 10, and we put the new 10 in the tens place. So those are just some things that I noticed. Maybe you noticed those same things too. All right, friends, so here is 48 plus 37. You guys are going to pause the video and solve this all on your own, modeling with place value discs or math drawings, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. So here I'm going to model 48 first. Then I'm going to model 37. There's my 30, and here's 7. Now, I'm going to look here. Wow, there's a lot of ones over there. So I'm going to take these 10 ones, and I'm going to compose a new 10. So now I know that 48 plus 37 equals 85 because I have 8 10s and 5 ones left over. All right, so hopefully you guys got that one too. All right, hip, hip, hooray! You guys did an awesome job composing a 10 to help us add numbers. So please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends!